Good evening to all of you. Let us start. A quick recap of day 2. Yesterday we have learned your words carry energy. 6 powerful words makes an impact on your life. What are the 6 powerful words? I am the best. I can do anything and everything. God is always with me. I born to be a legend. All power is within me. Today is my day. I want to ask, yesterday I have told how to do all these things by closing your eyes. Have you done anyone practiced? We have done yesterday 3 times. I told to do 11 times. Is anybody done? I want feedback. How you felt? Are anybody done or not? Please type in chat box. Just I want to know. Okay, let's go further. Yes, okay. How you felt, Khushbu, after doing this?
Harita ma'am, after doing it immediately, I made the video that I've posted just now.
Okay. I have not seen, I will see.
Yeah, sorry, I posted late.
Okay, it's okay. Thank you. Okay, we'll move further. Welcome to day 3. What we are going to learn today? How your mind works and differences in minds. Know your thoughts. Before going further, I just want to ask how many minds we are having. Is any idea? As a human being, how many minds we are having? Type in chat box. I just want to see how many minds we are having. Just type in chat box. Nobody having any idea? Sriram Jagdish telling 3. Khushbu conscious. Okay. Yes, conscious, subconscious. Yes, 2 minds we are having. Jagdish not 3, we are having only 2.
Okay, madam. Okay.
Okay, fine. Okay, we are having 2 minds. We will discuss in further detail of how mind works. What are the steps? You are the captain of your own soul. Learn to use your mind. Your mind has power to choose. What you think, it follows. The only power comes from your own thoughts. Neither your mind nor your force of nature is evil. We will learn detail one by one. You are the captain of your own soul. Why? Because it's your own life. You have the power to choose. You have the power to ask anything what you want. You have the power to build the passion, to build your dreams, You have to take out your vision, mission, everything from your own story. You no need to search from other stories, from other people's stories, from your own successful story. You have to build your mission, vision, dreams, goals, passion, purpose. Everything will be built from your own successful story. Can I know, is anybody having any successful stories? If they want to share, they can share. Anybody? Because everything is within you. You have to know yourself first. Is anybody known about themselves till now or not? I want to know. No? You are the captain of your own soul. I am willing to believe in my ability to heal. You have to believe in your own ability. You have to believe in your own thoughts. You have to believe in your own actions. And that should be always positive. Nobody wants to share anything?
Hello.
Yes, Jagdish, carry on.
Yeah, madam. I think I have no big stories, only small stories I have.
Okay, no problem. Please share.
Yeah, like one time I sing a song in front of 500 people, madam, in my college,
Oh, great.
and CA CPT completed. On that also, I feel very happy.
Okay, good.
Yes, madam. And that's only 10th class, intermediate, and BCom.
Okay,
That's only, madam, my story.
okay, good. So you have to find your passion then. You told that you are searching for job.
Yes, madam.
Have you got it? Any offers have you got?
Yeah, madam, I am attending interviews.
Okay,
Yeah, not get any offer letter.
okay. You have to focus on only one thing. Have
Okay,
you got my, on first day you have asked, I think.
yes,
I
ma'am.
told you, yeah, yes. I told you, you set the goal with time, with a time limit.
Okay, madam.
Okay,
Yeah, okay, confirm with the time limit.
yes. Within 1 month or 2 months, you have to set the target.
Okay, okay, madam.
Okay,
Thank you.
thank you, welcome. So, from your own story, from your own successful story, you have to find your passion and you have to work on that. If you find your passion, you have to work on that positively and have to work on that 365 days. See, everybody is having 365 days in a year and everybody is having 7 days in a week and everybody is having 30 or 31 days in a month. Isn't it? Is anybody having in this world 8 days in a week or 366 days in a year or 40 days in a month? No, right? Everybody is having the same days, the same months, and the way we are utilizing that makes the difference. So you have to find your why. You have to find the solution from your own story. Kushbu, perfectly said. Yes. So you have to tune your mind that I am only focusing on positive thoughts. I am focusing on what I want to be, not what you are now, what you want to be in next 1 year or in next 1 month, It should be short-term goal or it may be long-term goal. You should think about your future, what you want to be in a positive way, and you have to work on that. So that you are the captain of your own soul, which means you are the captain of your own life. You are the captain of your own thoughts. You are the captain of your own actions. Okay, let's go further. Second one, learn to use your mind. Everybody is having only one mind. So we have to learn how to use our minds. We have to learn how to use our minds in a positive way. See here in the pic, all are positive thoughts here. No negative thought is here. Imagination, idea, visual, concept, design, inspiration, creative, solution, concept, smart, mind, visual, creative, solution, everything. So we have to build all like these positive thoughts into our mind first. That is the first step what we have to do. We have to delete all negative things, all negative words, all negative thoughts, and we have to fill all positive words, all positive sentences, all positive thoughts into our mind. Then we have to utilize that. First, you have to feed your mind with positive thoughts. Then after we have to utilize that. We have to work on that. So here I want to share one story. The kids will generally attract to chocolates, cakes. So when we went to our old age, the same habits we will repeat. Because we all know that the children's and the old people are the same attitudes, the same mind they are having. From where we came, we will go at the end, at the same place. So the old people and kids are the same. In the thinking process, they will be the same. So children attracts to the chocolates and cakes. And after the children's we grow, we want happiness. We will get happiness as we thought that when we buy a car, when we buy a house, when we have a husband, when we have a wife in our life, we will think that. And you are having everything. You are having a car, you are having a big, beautiful house, you are having husband, you are having wife, everything you are having. Are you happy? No. Now you are having very, very, very big problems. What is the problems? Now the car is a problem. Now the house is a problem. Now husband is a problem. Wife is a problem. Isn't it? Now we imagine, now we came to know that it does not give us satisfaction. It does not give us happiness. This is not the real happiness. Human beings will not get happiness, will not be satisfied with all these things. With what the human beings will satisfy? With what the human beings will be satisfied? I'm happy alone, being alone without tension. Yes. Sri Ram Jagdish, love, self-love, happiness. Yes. We have to love ourselves. We have to know ourselves first. From where we came. And now we are where we are now. What we are, where we are now. If you know these two things, you will be satisfied. You will feel happiness. These two things are very important. From where you came, what you are, what you are born, for what you born. You have to know. And what are you doing now? Where you are, what are you doing? For what you born, what are you doing now? Is it relevant to your life or not? If you know these things, you will never feel unhappy. Our progressive journey. Yes, Khushbu. So learn to use your mind. The people will not never feel happy, whatever they are having. They will always search about others. They will always think about others. So control your emotions. Don't let your emotions control you. You will never find happiness unless you know yourself, unless you know your inner self. Never ever give your remote control to others. Never ever compare to others. You are the single piece in this world. God has created every individual person as a single piece. We are changing our mind by comparing the others, by comparing to others. Don't compare others and don't judge the people because you don't know about that person fully. If you judge the people, it's completely wrong thing. Don't ever judge the people like that, simply. So learn to use your mind. And the third one, your mind has power to choose. Because this is your life. How you want to live, where you want to live, how you want to become. Everything is your life. You can choose anything. So train your mind to see the good in everything. Positivity is a choice. This is what your mind has power to choose. You have to choose positive, not negative. The happiness of your life depends on the quality of your thoughts. The world you are creating, the world you are in, is the result of your own thoughts, the result of your own words. I can surely tell what you're having now and what you're thinking. There will be relation, there will be link. The link is your thoughts. What you're thinking, that is happening in your life. That is going to happen in your life. And that already happened in your life. Whether it's past or present or future. Whatever the thing is always built in your own thoughts, built in your own minds. The choice is yours. Let me tell you one story here. Once upon a time, a professor went to a Jain to find the meaning of Jain. The Jain means meditation. So the Jain master want to test the professor. He continuously pouring tea in a cup. The cup is filled with tea, but still he's pouring. So the professor is impatient. He just impatiently asking the master, why you are pouring still? It's already filled. The cup is already filled with tea. Why you are still pouring? Impatiently asked. So then the master told to the professor, yes, I know. I wanted to test you. As you are already having everything in your mind is full of thoughts, full of perceptions, full of everything, full of stuff, your mind is full. So if you want to know about the Jain, first you have to empty your mind. Empty your mind before you know the meaning of Zen. If your mind is empty, it's open to learn anything, to know everything. First, you keep your mind empty. Keep your mind empty. Your heart always be full. Whatever you're having, you just feel happy. You just feel gratitude for that. Don't think too much and delete the things that day, from morning till night, whatever the thoughts rolling in your mind, just delete at the end of the day. And kept your mind empty. And the fresh morning will come. If you want to learn anything, if you want to know anything new, first you keep your mind empty. If mind is already full with all this stuff, how can you learn? You are interested to learn. You are an eager person to learn new things, but your mind is not empty. How can you learn? So first keep your mind empty before you learn something. So you have the power to choose. You can choose that you can empty your mind. So always choice is yours. Whether you want to be a positive thinker or you want to be a negative. Everything is within you. And we go for fourth point. What you think, it follows. The only chance of success is to trust in your own power. How much power you are having, the other person cannot know. It may be your husband, it may be your wife, it may be your family member, it may be your parents. Nobody else know without except you. You only know how much power you are having within yourself. So that is the power which leads to your success. And you have to trust you. You never ever decreases your power. When you decrease your power means when you're having negative thoughts. Everybody is having power. God has given power to each and everyone. We are filling in between negative thoughts. So everybody is having the same power. The utilization is different. So the only chance of success is to trust. You have to believe in yourself. Whatever the power you are having, you have to believe in yourself. You have to trust to your own power. What you think, it follows. Everything is in your thoughts. It follows you. So the success comes from your failure. So see, the people fears when they get failures. But from that failure, if you learn something, the success will follow you. So that is what you think, it follows. Each and everything is within you. And never ever think it's too late. Never ever think it's too late. Just now, right now, you can follow your inner power. You can trust your power by saying as I told yesterday, your words, your tongue has so much power. Just say now, I am a wonderful person. I am a beautiful person. I am a rich person. I can do anything and everything. I am the best. All power is within me. I am a powerful woman. I am a powerful man. The whole universe is following me. The whole universe is accepting my thoughts. All positive words. You just tell to yourself. You just follow. You just think and it follows you. The life follows you when you thought the positive things. The universe follows you when you think that Universe is following me. Everything is in your thoughts. What you think, it follows. Simply, that's it. That is the life. What you think, it follows. Let us go. The fifth one, the only power comes from your own thought. The only power comes from your own thought. Think positive, speak positive, and positive things will happen. You no need to, you will not buy anything. You will not buy positive things. You will not buy negative things. Anything you will not buy. It just happens because of your own thoughts. Whether it is negative or positive, it happens like that. After you realize that, yes, this is the thing I have thought that day. This is the thing I thought yesterday. This is the thing I thought one year before. That is what your words, your thoughts, your actions has having so much power. So think positive, speak positive, and positive things will happen. It happens. It's a miracle. It happens because of your own thoughts. So let me tell you a wonderful story here, the butterfly story. Once in a forest, there was a big tree, and the tree was filled with all beautiful, colorful butterflies. And they are celebrating the Holi festival. And there was a butterfly named Lali. It is in a stage from pop to come to butterfly. So the Sony, the butterfly named Sony, went and welcomed the Lali. Welcome to the new world. Let us fly. Let fly with me. Then Lali told, how can I fly now? I'm not having the colorful wings like you. Then Sony told, what will you do with colorful wings? You can fly now. Just believe in yourself. You can fly now. No, I can't fly. I know that with colorful wings only I can fly. Then Sony told, okay, just take a try. Just take a step ahead. Just try yourself whether you can fly or not. You can know when you start a step ahead. Then, okay, Lali believed and started. Just he went one step ahead and he fell down. Then Sony told, yes, my dear Lali, what you told is exactly correct. When you will have the powerful wings, then only we can fly. Okay, take rest for today. Tomorrow morning, you can fly. Then Lali told, how can I get colorful wings by tomorrow morning? Then Sony told, hey, you don't know? Every butterfly will not get the wings, colorful wings. Just you born now. You will get by tomorrow morning. We will fly by tomorrow. Okay. Then Lali believed and he didn't sleep the whole night because to see his colorful wings. He wanted to see his colorful wings. That he kept in his mind. So before early morning, he slept. Lali slept. So Sony came and wake up Lali and told, hey, you got your colorful wings. Let us fly now. Let us fly. Let us celebrate Holi now. Then the Lali was surprised by seeing his colorful wings. Wow, I will fly now. I will fly first. I will fly first. He's very energetic by seeing his colorful wings. So he flied. Both are flying. And when they reached somewhere, the Sony told, okay, come with me. Follow me. We will go somewhere. Then where are you going? Where are we going? Lali asked. Then Sony, come with me. I will tell you, no, come with me. Follow me just. Then they are flying and the place came and then the place came where they where they have to fly the water. The water is coming, water flow is coming. They have to jump. They have to cross the water. As and when Lali crossed that, his wings color was gone. So he's shocked. Lali was shocked. Hey, what happened to my wings color? How it gone? Then the Sony told, see, my friend, I came by night when you slept and I colored your wings. Why? Why you are done like that? Then he told, you kept in your mind, you tuned your mind, you feed your mind that you can only fly when you are having colorful wings. So that's why I have done. See, that belief has done to you till here. So build positive things in your mind. If you feel negative things, that discourages you, that fallens your courage, your strength, your will, everything will come down with your negative thoughts. Everybody is having the same strength, the same will, the same power. Who encourages the positive things, who speaks positive, who thinks positive, who take actions positive, they will grow like anything. So the Lali felt so happy after listening that. So this is what the only power comes from your own thought. The Lali felt, kept in their thought that, she thought that only they will have colorful wings, then only he can fly. So everything is in your thoughts. The power, the only power comes from your own thought. Let us go next. The last one, but not least, is neither your mind nor the force of nature is evil. Nothing is evil. Your mind is not evil and the nature is not evil. Here, B, C, D and life. Is anybody wants to tell what do you mean by B, C, D here and life? How can we correlate with B, C, D with life? What do you mean by B, C, D? Can anybody? Yes. Yes, Jagdish. Birth, death. I don't know C, madam. Okay. Yes, B means birth, D means death. What is the between C? Yes. Yes, Kushbu, choice. Very good. I'm so happy today. So birth, between your birth and death is your choice. That is your life. Isn't it? Everything is in your choice. Everything is in your choice. That is your life. You can choose your life, how you want to be, how you want to become, that you can choose. The only two things that we cannot choose in your own life is, anybody say, what are the two things? Except two things, everything we can choose in our life. What are the two things we cannot choose? Anybody? Let me tell you. Yes, somebody. Birth, BD, birth and death. Atan Kumarji. Yeah.
Birth and death.
Yeah, birth and death we can't choose. That is what you want to say, yes, Atanji?
Yes.
Yeah, yes. Khushbu, enemies. Yes. That is what. Atan Kumarji told that birth and death. One is right. Birth. We don't know from which mother's womb we came to this world. We don't know. We cannot choose our parents, isn't it? Can we choose our parents? No. Somebody. Khushbu, family. Yes, family we can't choose. Our kids, we can choose our husbands, we can choose our wives, isn't it? We can't choose our kids, our children's. So here correlation is there. See, listen to me. From which mother's womb we are going to come to this world, we don't know. And from our own womb, who is going to come to this world, we don't know. Yes? Related? All are understood? These are the two things. Except these two things, we can choose anything in our life. Everything depends on our choice. Everything depends on our thoughts. So neither your mind nor the force of nature is evil. You have to tune your mind that everything is within me. I have to choose. This is my life. I can choose anything, how I want to become, how I want to lead my life. What is my dream? What is my goal? Am I working towards that or not? What are the choices I want to make to get my goal within the time limit? That we have to focus on daily for 24 hours. Not about the other things, about other people. These are all garbage. The only thing is about your life, your choice, your dreams, your thoughts, your goals. How? And you have to find out your why. Have to find out your why. Stop talking about your difficulties. Start talking at difficulties. Stop talking about your failures. Start talking at failures. This is with why. Why these failures came into my life? Why these difficulties came into my life? Why I am fear? Why I am shy? For any difficulty, for anything, if you question yourself why, you will find the solution. This is what you have to do. We will go further. As we told before, that we are having two minds. We're done with this. How mind works. These are the 6 steps. How our mind works, how we have to tune our mind. Now, what are the differences in minds? That is conscious mind and subconscious mind. Your conscious mind is a reasoning mind. It always search for reasons. Your subconscious mind is a creative mind. See, somebody will tell that you are a very good creator. That boy is very good creative mind. He always takes the actions with his creative mind. Like that we use it to tell. That means he uses his subconscious mind more than his conscious mind. So your subconscious mind is a creative mind. And conscious mind is a thought process mind. Conscious mind is thought process mind. So everything is in your thoughts. It processes. And subconscious mind is a thought acceptance mind. It just accepts. It never thinks is it good or bad. Will the outcome will be merit to you? Will it be good to you or not? It doesn't think. It just accepts whatever you put your thoughts, process your conscious mind, and the thoughts accepted by subconscious mind. And conscious mind makes all your decisions. Whatever you are taking decisions, that is all from your conscious mind. And subconscious mind functions your decisions automatically. As I told before, that it doesn't think whether it is good or bad. It just takes the decisions and automatically it functions. And conscious mind, you can choose anything. You can choose anything here with your conscious mind, but the subconscious mind, digestion and circulation process here. You choose something. You choose something. For example, I can say, you choose to be, I will take the example of Jagdish, let us say. He chose to get the job within next 1 month. He made a choice. And with conscious mind, he made a choice with his conscious mind. And what his subconscious mind will do, the digestion and circulation process here. Process the circulation. He cannot get job in one night or in one click or in one day. It takes time. It takes time. So the digestion and circulation process here. It is a long-term process. Subconscious mind is a long-term process. Whatever the things you can say, the actions you can take. Yes, as I told before that, you are thinking, you just thought something 1 year before. Now it happens. 1 year after it just happens, or 2 years after it just happens. According to that situation, according to that action, according to that thought, the subconscious mind releases. That is the digestion and circulation. Subconscious mind process. And conscious mind searches reasons to come out from the things. It searches the reasons. The things you are having, you just come out. Means that is what? Give up. You just give up when you are in problems because of your conscious mind. But what will your subconscious mind do? It doesn't argue with you controversially. As we learned before, it doesn't think whether it is good or bad. The results also, subconscious mind will not think. It just follows that. It doesn't argue. It doesn't controversial. It doesn't make anything, any sense. Simply what you are thinking, it just follows. So everything is in your thoughts, means in your conscious mind. If you think positive, your subconscious mind just follows. So try to think positive things. Try to speak positive things. Positive words. Conscious mind doesn't accept untrue things. Here it accepts everything and get you results. So it doesn't accept untrue things. What is not going to become true? It knows, conscious mind. So it doesn't accept. But here, subconscious mind, it accepts everything. It doesn't argue with you. It just decides and follows the conscious mind. So it accepts everything and get you results. Okay, I hope all are understood. If anybody having any doubt, please type in chat box or you can unmute and can ask. All are clear till now? Yes, all are clear?
Yeah, clear, madam, clear.
Clear? Okay, Jagdish. Somebody. Yes, Kushbu. Okay. Thank you for a response. Yes, Aditya ji. Thank you. Okay, let us go further. Know your thoughts. See, I can say this is the whole life is in this quote. Your whole life. Just you take your name and tell these things and make a video or audio according to your comfort level. You just make this taking your name. We just say now, watch your thoughts. They become your words. Your words come from your thoughts. Watch your words. They become your actions. What your actions are the result of your words. Your words are the result of your thoughts. And watch your actions. They become your habits. The habits are the result of your actions. Watch your habits. They become your character. So the character is the result of your habits. The habits is the result of your actions. The actions is the result of your words. Your words is the result of your thoughts. And what's your character? It becomes your destiny. You reach your destiny with your own character, with your own habits, with your own actions, with your own words, with your own thoughts, with your own mind. You reached your destiny. After reaching destiny, you think if you are in a good position, if you reach the good destination, it sounds good. You are happy because you build your positive thoughts. If suppose your destiny is negative, means you are unable to, in your old age, you are unable to lead your life because of your thoughts, because of your negative situations, negative thoughts, negative actions, negative speaking, negative words. So if you want to be positive at your life, end of your life, just now, from now onwards, you change your thoughts. Everything is in your thoughts. Everything is in your mind. Nothing, nowhere else. You cannot find anywhere except within you. I'm thinking that I have added some value in these 3 days. As you spent 3 hours with me, I done for today. A lot. Okay, thank you so much, Khushbu. Thank you. Thanks a lot. So I done for today. I just want to introduce today that it is my second level. About my second level course, I just want to introduce. So before that, if you're having any doubts, any queries not related to this, in personally also, generally, if you're having any queries, you can ask. As I told earlier that I have faced so many struggles. I can solve any problem. Please, if anybody having. Otherwise, I will introduce my second level. Shall I move? Please, yes, if I move. Shall I move? Okay, I'm moving. My second level course name is Empower Positive World. Empower Positive World. Yes, Adanji, yes, I'm moving. Thank you, reply. Empower Positive World. And this is the course of 21 days. And before only I'm telling that this course I'm going to take in the morning sessions, early morning sessions. Because the morning itself implies the strength, the energy. And if you build that energy in the early morning, you rock like anything. 21 days is also not necessary. So what I'm going to tell, how to build habits to become a powerful, positive thinker. What are the habits? How to change your mind towards success. How to become the owner of your own thoughts. How? How to become a confident, positive thinker. How law of attraction effectively works. And last but not least is join my 5 AM club to adopt successful people habits. These are the 6 things I'm going to discuss, I'm going to tell in detail in my second level course. And along with this, I'm having some bonuses. Let me share. These are the bonuses. 1-to-1 call for 30 minutes. And the world's #1 motivational audio and video to boost your inner power. As I told, you are having power within you. Instantly, you can boost yourself by watching this video and by listening this audio. And weekly 3 days live. I'm going to take from Monday to Friday. And before I thought that I'm going to give some videos and weekly I want to come live. Because why I thought like this because it takes time. As it is all belongs to your thoughts and your words, as it is a personal. So it takes time to build within. So I thought before weekly once I will come live. But for you people, I thought it's better if I go 3 days, weekly 3 days. And I'm going to take the classes Monday to Friday. Monday to Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I'm not going to take. And those are the 2 days to you to work upon. Whatever you learned in this 1 week, those 2 days will help you more to work upon yourself. So weekly 3 days live, I'm going to come. 1-to-1 call for 30 minutes and 1 motivational video and audio. And this program word is 6999. Is it okay for you people? Or you want some less amount? Or you ask me to increase the amount? This much less amount, how ma'am you are giving? Or you want me to decrease the amount? Please, I want to know. Anybody? If you want to transform your life, if you want to change your life, you have to join. Nobody is typing, am I audible? Please type yes, at least, am I audible? Yes, okay. Okay, Atanji, okay, Durgesh, okay. Okay, Kushbu, okay, Sriram. Yes, tell me, is the price is enough? Am I adding value with this price? Or you want the price to be low? Okay, I'm going ahead. And it's not 6999. I'm giving especially for you 70% discount. And the price is only for today's offer 1999. It's especially for you people 1999. I'm giving you 70% discount. Your course is worth 6. You are doing super. Okay. Thank you, Kushbu. So this is my final price. If anybody wants to join, I just type in chat box. I'm having Google Pay and Phone Pay. Let me type and I will share in our group also. Group 2, I will share. If you are interested, you no need to pay all the amount at just now. You can pay 1,000 rupees at your interest. How much you are comfort? 500,000, something you want. You have to book your seat. That's why I'm telling. So I'm having GPay, PhonePe, these two numbers. If anybody wants, please. And I will share in our group too. So this is my 3-day session. I done with this. I hope I have added value. I want to add value to people. That's it. I hope I added some value after attending my session 3 days, and I'm so happy. And thanks all. Thank you all for attending my 3-day sessions. Yes, Khushbu, please carry on.
Yeah, I'll switch on my video also. Hello, everybody.
Hi.
Hope
Well,
why I can't scroll. Just a minute, wait. I can't scroll the screen. Yeah.
yes.
Hello, everyone. Harita, you have added a lot because I really loved your, slides that you have used, and lot things which I didn't knew. I have come to knew from your this workshop, and I would have definitely joined, but I'm stuck with few of the work. But I would suggest others that they can go ahead because she's doing really great. But I'll connect with you, and I'll definitely take help from you.
Thank you. Always welcome.
You're doing superb. Very nice, very nice, very nice workshop. 3 days. Yesterday I couldn't attend, but I saw the entire video. I posted the video also,
Okay.
and but you're doing really great.
Thank you. Thank you, Khushbu.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you for sharing, Khushbu. So that's it. I done.
Yeah, later on I will come, Harita, if my things are just all done. Maybe
Okay.
further second level I'll join.
Okay. Okay.
Definitely. Okay,
Thank you.
for
Okay.
sure.
Okay. Thank you. So thank you all. Just have a nice day. Good night. Thank you.